Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I am participating in a red hot tablescape. It is the red hot chili peppers tablescape, and the host for this collaboration is the lovely At Home with Mary. Now Mary has two co-hosts. They are Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Tae of Uneatly Tae. Now I have links to all three ladies' channels down in my description box. Please go show them some love, and if you don't subscribe, I hope you'll do that today. Also, if you don't subscribe to this channel, I hope you'll do that today as well. Make sure that you like, comment, share, all of that good stuff if you like this video, and if you do, please go ahead and subscribe and make sure you tap that notification bell at least 2 times. Now, I'm not going to talk too long today because it's getting hot in here, y'all. But this red hot chili pepper theme, for this theme rather, we were told to keep it spicy and to either do the chili pepper decor on our table or the colors that we think would coordinate with the chili pepper theme. I chose the colors. We've got some red, we've got some green, we've got some nice gold and yellow, but that's my take on it. So I'm going to stop talking, and without further ado, here is my take on the red hot chili peppers tablescape.